Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to discuss some of the key people involved with Steemit and also some ways you can stay informed about Steemit going forward. So let's get to it. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to point out some of the people behind Steemit, as well as some ways for you to keep up to date with any news or updates or whatever that's going on within the network. So let's start out with some key people, and then we'll look at ways to follow the platform. In general, it's always a good idea to know who's behind a company or project, especially when you have your money involved. So with Steemit, we have Ned Scott. He's the co-founder of Steemit and is the current CEO. So it's a good idea to check him out, do your research, and see what he's about. On Steemit, you can follow him. His user is @Ned, and he posts a lot about Steam and Steemit in general. Additionally, he's on Twitter under the handle @CertainAssets, so you can follow him there as well. It looks like a lot of his posts there are also in regards to Steam and Steemit. The next person we'll point to is Dan Larimer. Dan is the other co-founder of Steemit. He's been in the blockchain and crypto space for a while now, and he's also created and been a part of other blockchain and crypto-based projects and organizations as well, including BitShares and more recently EOS. Now, Dan actually left Steemit in 2017, on good terms from what I've read. He appears to be more of a technical person as a blockchain engineer, and stated that there was intent for him to move on after the Steem blockchain had matured and become stable. So he's no longer there, but he is still active on Steemit if you want to follow him there. It appears he actually has 2 accounts. It looks like he's not been posting on one in the last few months, so perhaps he stopped using that one after he left. But the one account that's still active is under the name @Dan, and the other account is @DanTheMan. He also has a Twitter, so you can check him out there as well under the handle @ByteMaster7. So given that these guys are the ones who came up with and created Steemit, I thought it'd be a good idea to just point out where you can follow them so you can see what they have to say, do your own research, and reach your own conclusions, as well as stay up to date on anything they may be sharing about Steemit. Now, aside from following individuals, there are a couple of ways that you can stay up to date and follow Steemit as a platform. The account called Steemit Blog on Steemit shares updates regularly, so it's a good idea to go ahead and follow that account once you've signed up so you can stay in the know about anything that's going on or upcoming. Also, for Steemit Help, you can use Steemit's chat site. They have a help channel on steemit.chat/channel/help, so you can go there and post questions, ask for help, etc. This is also where you can go if you're having trouble setting up your account or getting your account approved. Steemit also has a Twitter that's pretty active, and it's run under the handle @Steemit. So if you're on Twitter, you can follow them there as well for updates and announcements. Alright, so hopefully now you're encouraged to go do some research of your own into some of the individuals and the accounts we mentioned in this video. As mentioned earlier, I think it's always a good idea to stay up to date with a company or project that you're interested in and to get to know the people behind the project itself, especially when you have any money involved. Thanks for watching. See you next time.